I just want to show y'all like how like your nails need to always be functional, and if they're cute and functional, that's like a plus or whatever. But you know, we have to be able to do things around the house, at work. You know, we use our hands for a lot of things or whatever. But and also like I teach DIY nail care. I encourage people to take care of your nails, maintain your nails. Even if you're a DIYer, even if you are a nail client, because you know it's good to like go get yourself, let the professionals do it or whatever. But like, you know, for those people who don't like anything on their nails or whatever, nail enhancements like a gel polish or a coating, a coat of regular polish, like they are helpful because not only does it like embellish your nails, but it protects your nails too. You know, have y'all ever heard of protective hairstyles? Like, it's a such thing as protective nail styles, because like this gel polish that I have on my hand, and it's a very natural, I love this color, but like it protects my natural nails or whatever, because my natural nails, you know, they're still thin, and you know, and they grow, but like when they grow, like it's, you know, very thin and eggshell nail type or whatever, and like it'll bend, it'll break, it'll crack or whatever like that. But because this gel polish is on my nails when I'm doing things like washing my dishes, it protects my natural nails or whatever. There's a layer that's, you know, not causing it to be, you know, soaked through my nails, because our nails are porous, and too much water, just like too much of anything, you know, can be harmful or whatever. And our nails are soak up water, and that's one of the reasons why like it your nails are too flexible, you know, they're weak or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like our nails are supposed to be durable, they supposed to have moisture, you're supposed to use oil and stuff like that. But anyway, y'all, I'm going on and on and on. But the main point is that, you know, take care of your nails, not just so that they look good and fancy and everything like that, but take care of your nails because these are a part of our body. Your nails are part of your hands. Imagine, you know, people be just like, if I don't have, I ain't worried about my nails and nothing like that. But if you didn't have nails on your hands that you use every day, like that would be so weird, right? Like God don't make no mistakes. Like there's a purpose for everything, and original purpose, you know what I'm saying? That's man, you know, idea, man idea, you know what I'm saying? To like, oh, let's put a collar on here and let's look good or whatever. But you know, God is very strategic. You know, he is the ultimate scientist. Y'all better get into it. Like, every part of the body matters. Like, take care of it, okay? All right, that's all I got. I ain't got no way. Bye, y'all. I got to finish my dishes. And then I got to go pray. Bye.